Welcome back, everyone. I'm N.R.T, and we got ourselves another unboxing video from our longtime channel sponsor, benchmarkabrasives. They sent us some more stuff to review on the channel and to use and help with projects. We'll work on this little box first. Get it out of the way. So benchmarkabrasives. Ow. Got a little wire splinter. Because that's what these are. Oh, I got another one. Okay. So some of the little wire things came undone, which that's going to happen when you use them. If you don't have those little wire things in your shirts or in your hoodies, then you're not doing the work right. So we should have a total of 10 wire wheels that I can put in the die grinder and drill. That one got me good. Okay. There's that box right there. Now, they did send me some different type of lenses for my grinding shield, but lens I think 13's out of stock, so they're gonna send that to me when it comes in stock, which is around May. And got these little die grinder flap discs I'm gonna try out. There's the mount for the shield. Safety glasses. I got another thing for safety glasses. Can never have too many safety glasses. Then we got these should be, I believe, more. These should be aluminum cutting grinding wheels. And I had to get that sticker right there. They sent me a Christmas ornament, a custom-made Christmas ornament of this guy, but he's Santa Claus, so I had to get them a good one. And these, I believe, okay. So these are regular grinding wheels. So we got to add on some screws on the shell. We got 4 boxes of them. And that's all I put in an order for at benchmarkabrasives this time. I didn't need much. I'm getting pretty well stocked up on supplies. I just, every once in a while, if I get low on something, I tell them and they send it to me, so I'm stocked up and not waiting. So when I actually need the stuff, I got the stuff. So okay. Okay, there's 2 of those in there. Okay. Gonna try those out. So I want to say a shout out to benchmarkabrasives for sending this stuff out, and if you guys need any type of stuff like grinding wheels, sandpaper, burrs, step bits, drill bits, wood bits, all types of stuff like that, I'll put a link in the description to their website. If you or a fabricator or woodworker, I would definitely go check them out. Oh, and they got grinding wheels and flap disc and so on, so saw blades and all types of stuff. Grinding shields and safety gear, and all types of stuff. I'll put a link in the comments to their website. Go check them out. Tell them N.R.T sent you. And I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for stopping by, everyone. Hope you enjoy this video.